First up are universal needles. These are your all-purpose go-to. They work on most woven and some knits. Perfect for everyday sewing. Next, ballpoint or jersey needles. They have a rounded tip that slides between fibers instead of piercing them, making them ideal for knits and stretch fabrics. No more holes or runs in your jersey fabrics. Closely related are stretch needles. They're designed for lycra, spandex, and elastic fabrics. Their special eye and scarf reduce skip stitches when working with super stretchy materials. Sharps, also called microtex needles. These are very thin with a sharp point, perfect for delicate fabrics like silk, organza, or microfabric where precision is key. Jeans or denim needles are heavy duty with a reinforced shaft and a sharp point. Use these for denim, canvas, or other thick fabrics. Leather needles. These needles have a wedge-shaped point that actually cuts into the leather. They're made for leather, vinyl, and suede. Just don't use them on woven fabrics. They'll damage them. Top stitch needles have a larger eye and a deeper groove to handle heavier threads. Perfect for visible, decorative stitching and top stitching. Quilting needles are designed for piercing through multiple layers of fabric and batting. Their tapered point helps prevent skip stitches. Embroidery needles have a larger eye and a special design to prevent thread shredding. They work beautifully with rayon or polyester embroidery thread. And finally, twin or double needles. These create two parallel rows of stitching at once, perfect for hems or decorative effects. So to recap, universal, all-purpose, ballpoint, knits, stretch, lycra, and swimwear, microtex, fine fabrics, jeans, heavy fabrics, leather and vinyl, top stitch, heavy threads, quilting, layers, embroidery, specialty threads, and twin, parallel rows.